Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the upgrade proceeds smoothly. First, confirm you have an account with owner or user access administrator rights on the subscription. Without it, you cannot change billing. Next, add a valid payment method in the portal, card details, and billing address. This prevents holdups. Once done, make sure identity verification prompts are completed because Azure may require phone or photo verification to enable pay-as-you-go billing. You now perform the core switch inside the Azure portal. Navigate to Cost Management and Billing, then choose Subscriptions and pick the subscription you want to convert. Click Billing Profile and look for Change Billing or Switch Offer. Select Pay-as-you-go and review the pricing details carefully. This explains how meters and rates apply. After that, select the payment method you added, accept the terms, and submit the request so Azure can apply the new billing model immediately. You finish by validating the change and confirming billing. Check the subscription overview to see pay-as-you-go listed and inspect the billing overview for the next invoice estimate. Make sure role assignments and any resource locks still align with governance because billing changes can surface permission issues. If the upgrade fails, first recheck the payment method and that you have owner rights. If that looks fine, open an Azure support ticket. This often resolves authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.